Hello everyone. So we are here to discuss the chapter life process, that is chapter number 6 of the class 10th. So before we start this life process chapter, we need to understand what is life. Life is a cell mediated complex system where the molecular movement is required regularly for the regular biological reactions. It means one system is there. In this system, many molecules are found. These molecules are called biomolecules. In the biomolecules, several type of reactions are going on simultaneously for the maintenance of the life. If suppose one system is not having these all, so that system is known as the dead. Okay, it means all the organisms are made up by the cell, and the cell is having the same scenario whatever I have told earlier, that the biomolecules are there, and in the biomolecule molecular movement takes place, and by the reactions this maintain the life. और अगर यहीं पर कोई एक यही सिस्टम है जिसमें मॉलिक्यूलर मूवमेंट नहीं हो रहा, केमिकल रिएक्शंस नहीं हो रही, तो इस सिस्टम को आप लिविंग नहीं कह सकते, ये डेड होगा. यानी ऑल ओवर द एनवायरनमेंट में हमको 3 तरीके की चीजें दिखती हैं, एक लिविंग, दूसरी नॉन लिविंग, तीसरी आपकी डेड. जो लिविंग है वो उस सिस्टम में कॉम्प्लेक्स सिस्टम हो गया, मॉलिक्यूल्स कॉम्प्लेक्स अरेंजमेंट हो गया, उसमें बहुत सारी केमिकल रिएक्शंस की ज़रूरत है. और अगर हम नॉन लिविंग की बात करें तो उतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सिस्टम ये नहीं होगा जितना कि सेल का एक कॉम्प्लेक्स सिस्टम हम लोग ऑब्जर्व करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे वो सारी चीज़ें, वो सारे लाइफ प्रोसेसेस नहीं होंगे. दूसरी चीज़ डेड है, तो उसमें स्टार्टिंग में लिविंग की तरह से वो बिहेव करेगा. यानी अर्लियर कभी लिविंग था, जैसे कि सपोज करो प्लांट की लीफ है, अभी लीफ प्लांट पर है तो लाइव है, लेकिन जब ये लीफ फॉल हो जाएगी तो इसमें वो सारे प्रोसेसेस नहीं होंगे जो मेंटेनेंस ऑफ लाइफ के लिए चाहिए, तो अब ये डेड डिक्लेयर होगा. क्लियर? सो दैट्स मीन्स द कॉम्प्लेक्स सिस्टम, सेल mediated complex system which have the different molecules, and here the molecular movement required regularly for the regular cell biological reactions. Point noted here, these biological reactions are also known as metabolism. Metabolism, or you can say the metabolic reactions. Okay, so biological reactions or the metabolism or metabolic reactions are the same thing. जो आप बायोलॉजिकल रिएक्शंस को कहते हो वही आप मेटाबॉलिज्म भी समझ सकते हो. जो चीज बायोलॉजिकल रिएक्शंस में वही मेटाबॉलिज्म में भी है. ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज हियर दैट मॉलिक्यूलर मूवमेंट इफ रेगुलरली रिक्वायर्ड, सो फ्रॉम वेयर इट गेट द एनर्जी. ओके, यही सारी चीज है, यही पॉइंट है जो हमें इस चैप्टर को पढ़ने के लिए कंपल्सन कर रही है कि आखिर ये जो बायोलॉजिकल मॉलिक्यूलर मूवमेंट हो रहा है और जो बायोलॉजिकल रिएक्शंस हो रही हैं, इन रिएक्शंस के लिए कुछ ना कुछ तो सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी होगा, कुछ ना कुछ तो एनर्जी की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी. तो उस सबको हम कैसे मेंटेन करेंगे? उसी के लिए हमको चाहिए लाइफ प्रोसेस. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट आई एम कमिंग टूवर्ड्स नेक्स्ट, दैट इज द लाइफ प्रोसेस. सो ऑल द मेटाबॉलिज्म or the biological reaction, whatever requirement is there in the cell for the maintenance of life is called the life process. जितने भी हमारे बायोलॉजिकल रिएक्शंस सेल के अंदर हो रहे हैं, these all biological reactions collectively called the metabolic reactions, and these all metabolic reactions belongs to life process. Okay, so here the life process, basic life process are here. These basic life processes: nutrition, then the respiration, then the transportation and excretion. Okay, why these all life processes are going on? Earlier I have told that the biological reactions are required energy, and to get this energy, these all life process we require. That means all the life process are here just to get energy, and by this energy the biological reactions will complete here, and this organism which is having the complex system of cell mediated system, that is life. ओके तो एनर्जी को मेंटेन रखने के लिए, एनर्जी को डेवलप करने के लिए यहाँ ये सारे लाइफ प्रोसेस की हमें रिक्वायरमेंट होगी। ये सारे लाइफ प्रोसेस ही बेसिक लाइफ प्रोसेस के नाम से जाने जाते हैं। वैसे तो लाइफ प्रोसेस बहुत है यहाँ, जैसे ग्रोथ है, कंट्रोल एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन है, रिप्रोडक्शन है, सेंसिबिलिटी है, these all the different type of life process are here, but if reproduction is not there, so person is not going to die, organism death will not be there. If suppose the respiration is not here, तो respiration के बिना death हो जाएगी. Transportation is not here properly, तो transportation के बिना यहाँ death हो जाएगी. If nutrition is not there, तो nutrition के बिना death हो जाएगी. Reproduction, without reproduction the organism are die. We have not listen about this. तो यहाँ पर ये life process जितने भी those are very very important for the maintenance of life are called the life process. Okay, तो life process में पहले nutrition, respiration and transportation और excretion हम लोग को समझना होगा. पॉइंट यहाँ एक और है कि हम लोग यहाँ 10th की NCERT के अंदर कंपैरेटिव स्टडी करेंगे. कंपैरेटिव कैसे कि अगर हम न्यूट्रिशन की बात करेंगे तो वी शुड टॉक अबाउट द प्लांट वन टाइम, अनदर टाइम वी शुड टेक द एनिमल न्यूट्रिशन. नेक्स्ट इज रेस्पिरेशन इन प्लांट एंड रेस्पिरेशन इन एनिमल, transportation in plants and transportation in animal, and excretion in plant and excretion in animal. One by one try to understand these all, and later on in detail in next video we will discuss. So nutrition is here just to take food or nutrient inside the body of organism. So different mode of nutrition organism used, and by that it get the nutrient inside, and over these nutrient the respiration completes. Respiration is the process in which oxygen get inside and carbon dioxide release, and this oxygen will utilize for the oxidation of food which we get by the nutrition. And you know, whenever the food get oxidized, then what developed? That developed energy, and this energy will be utilized for the various purpose. Okay, so here the nutrition and respiration is you understand. Then the transportation. If the respiration is here, so it's receive oxygen, it's allowed to enter oxygen inside the body and release carbon dioxide outside. That's all will complete by the help of transportation. Lungs are here which receive oxygen first time, and from the lungs the blood is there. In the blood this oxygen is going to mix or diffuse, and after the diffusing this oxygen will supply in all over the body part. And same with the nutrition. The nutrient, that means digested food, is going to dissolve in the in the blood, and the blood is going to diffuse this food material in all over body. और दूसरी चीज, whatever the waste inside the body, that should be collected by the transportation system, and finally it should release via the excretory organ. And what is the excretion? Whatever the biological reactions are going on here, by the help of the biological reaction some product will form, and sidewise some waste product will also develop. These waste product need to excrete outside the body. For the excretion of the waste product, this excretion process is required. Suppose the excretion is not there, so what will happen? This waste product, whatever developed during the biological reactions or the metabolic reactions, then they will deposit in the inside the body, and finally the function will be wrong here, and then the malfunctioning will be held here, and that will be that may be the cause of some organ failure. Okay, let's say kidney failure, liver failure. These type of problems are there just due to the waste product remain inside the body. So here all the life process, these four, that is nutrition, respiration, transportation and excretion, are very very important here for maintenance of life. One by one in next video we are going to discuss detail about this all. Until we are not having next video, stay blessed and stay healthy. Thank you.